Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is a present simple tense quiz, and in this quiz there are 40 questions with 3 optional answers. You have to choose right answer within a given time, and if you want more time you have to pause the video. Are you ready? Question number 1. We gap in this house. The right answer is live. We live in this house. Question number 2. Here the subject is singular he, so we have to use verb with SES. He goes to school by bus. Question number 3. We gap to school daily. The right answer is go. We go to school daily. Question number 4. Which is correct? You have to choose here correct sentence. The right answer is I play tennis. Question number 5. Which is wrong? The right answer is it rains in May. Question number 6. The right answer is do. Do you live here? Question number 7. The right answer is teach. Who teaches him? Question number 8. Here the subject of the sentence is plural. So we'll use verb without SES. Children like to eat sweets. Question number 9. Here the subject of the sentence is the sun and it is singular. So we have to use verb with SES. Question number 10. She gap her clothes. Here the subject is singular. She washes her clothes. Question number 11. Birds gap in the sky. The subject is birds and it is plural. Birds fly in the sky. Question number 11. Which sentence is wrong? You have to identify the correct sentence. She eat mangoes. Question number 12. Which sentence is wrong? You have to check the sentences. The right answer is I do never take coffee. Question number 13. Which sentence is right? The right is which boy helps you? Question number 14. Which sentence is right? Here is a subject, fire is singular, so we have to use verb with as. Fire burns everything. Question number 15. Here the subject we is plural, so we have to use here don't. We don't make rings. Question number 16. Jack. Jack is singular, so we have to use your verb with SOES. Right answer is Jack plays the guitar. Question number 17. She work here. The sentence is negative, so we have to use here does with she. She doesn't want work here. Question number 18. Here you have to choose the correct option. The right answer is Does he believe you? Question number 19. None with me. Here, the right answer is option B. Plays. None plays with me. Question number 20. Here, the subject is he, which is singular. So we have to use the verb with s. So right answer is he sings nothing. Question number 21. I him money. Here, the subject of the sentence is I, so we have to use here V1. I send him money. Question number 22. It matter. The subject is singular. It always use a singular verb. So right answer is doesn't. It doesn't matter. Question number 23. The subject is I and it is first person and we don't use with it verb with SAS. So we have to use the V1. I make jewelry. Question number 24. Whose brother? You. The subject whose brother is singular. So we have to use verb with S. Whose brother beats you? Question number 25. Whose brothers? The subject is plural. So we have to use verb without SEIS. Whose brothers beat you? Question number 26. Whom play with? Here you have to use correct answer. Whom do you play with? Question number 27. Here the subject is he, so we have to use does. Where does he live? Question number 28. Why do go every day? Here the auxiliary verb is do, so we have to use here plural subject. So right answer is you. Question number 29. That boy weeps. Here the subject is singular, that boy. So we have to use here singular verb does. Does that boy weep? Sorry, weep should be weep. Question number 30. They play here. Question number 31. Apples in the autumn. Here, apples are plural, so we have to use here ripe. Apples ripe in autumn. Question number 32. Which sentence is in present indefinite tense? The right answer is option C. He reads. Question number 33. Which sentence is in present indefinite tense? Here the right answer is option B. He has won is present perfect. His coming is present continuous. So the right answer is option A. He wins every time. Question number 34. Again same question. I hated you is past indefinite. I loved you past indefinite. So the right answer is option A. I hate you. Question number 35. Again same question. Option B. You ate food past indefinite. Option C. You didn't eat food past indefinite. Option A is right. You eat food. Question number 36. Again same question. Option A. He didn't know past indefinite. Option C. He hasn't known present perfect. Option B is right. He doesn't know. Question number 37. Which sentence is in present indefinite tense? Option B. Will help is future indefinite. Option C. Past indefinite. Option A is correct. They help the poor. Question number 38. Which sentence is in present indefinite tense? Option B is present perfect. So the right answer is option A, she cooks food. Question number 39. Which sentence is incorrect? Here the right answer is option A, he doesn't helps me. Question number 40. Which book read? Here the right answer is option B. Which book does he read? Do you like this quiz? You can share your score and write comments about the test.